Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video I'm just going to give you a quick summary or a short summary about the Cars and Coffee event from the 4th of November 2023 in Százhalombatta, Hungary. It's just under Budapest. There was an event organized by the Robin Car Wash and Detailing Studio and Polirtech.hu. It was basically around the Koshemi products because the Robin Car Wash is using now exclusively Koshemi products in their car wash, and they decided to arrange such an event. I will try to keep it around 10 minutes, the video, but it was like around 2 hours event. There was everything: cute cat, some detailing demonstration or car washing demonstration rather, nice food. Also we got some welcome gifts, and there was a raffle where again we could win valuable prizes. Let's roll!
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. Cause I can feel the energy, energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy, energy. I can feel it, I can feel it. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. I can feel it, yeah. I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. I can feel it, I feel it. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. Here I am, right in front of you. Look at me when I say I'm sure what I'm doing, so please let me stay till the morning comes and take me away. So please let me stay. Never mind apologize our mistakes here and now. Let our love explode, show me how you do it alright. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us? Baby, look at me now and say that there is no turning back. And maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back. And maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to. Why you feel insecure? All the things I said and the things I did before, if I stayed on you, I'll take it away. If you let me stay, never mind all your principles. If you feel this is right, we're here and now. Let us not lose precious time. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us? And wanna catch up where we left off? Look around, it's just you and I exist in this world right now. So let's keep it this way for a while. I know you want it as well, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back. And maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back. And maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off, why did I choose you? I'm just too lost, I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy, now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed to. This was a phase that I was a mistake, but I can't move on with something in these days. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love.
Okay, boys and girls, that was the short summary, let's say. Just a bit of spoiler alert. There will be a permanent discount code for Polirtech.hu for the followers of the channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, as I said, and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.